like, where are these people for this compound?
This one way
don't waste my time. Nobody waste my time.
Where you go?
Come sit. Come.
I will come this side, Joe. Forget this. That is the type of. Come on.
Welcome to the first meeting of the tenancy of this house. As the caretaker concerned and the chief executive. I have my rules and regulations.
When you finish, I get my own.
After I finish what?
Talk now, I follow you the drag. I follow you the drag. As you dey talk now, I follow you the drag.
I beg, may we do meeting.
No, they pull my friend.
Why we can't they stand? Now meeting with this one, Abi, they talk to your children. Why will they stand? No chair for this whole compound.
Wait, make I answer this question. The day when I come find house for this compound, she'll give una chair. Yes. Tell me, sit down.
Yes.
How many times would they tell you?
Advertising department, that now I don't enter.
That one is a privilege for first time comer.
Yes, privilege.
Amma Ezu, you have lost the privilege.
I better talk more, come on for you.
Okay. Rules number 1. Every day, if you wake up from sleep, Muslim, 5:30. If I no hear noise say if they do alwala or outside ablution, 5:30. If they hear me, Kuma, I want here Christian inside your room. Maka here if they play gospel music.
I not be Christian, I be pagan.
So that is the question where I not ask you when you come. So me and you go dig up. Because for this property in the constitution of Nigeria, either you be Christian or you be Muslim. That's rule number 1. I must hear inside your room. Chant your babies. Chant your babies. I must hear you.
They spoil the name.
Shanka baby. Shanka baby.
That's no problem. Okay. Rule number 1 is prayer for everybody.